Hello 7th class students. Today we will continue our lesson number 6. Look at your book page number 67. Today we will start from the topic changing cell contents. So students, the characters and numbers typed in worksheet can be seen both in cells as well as on the formula bar. So the numbers which you are typing or text which you are typing in the boxes or in the cells, that you can see here in the boxes also or as well as on the formula bar also. As you see in this picture, the text you can see here also where the cursor is present, that you can see the 65 here also in the formula bar. So here we will see after entering the content of the cell, you can press the either the enter key or enter button on the formula bar to accept the entry. So when you enter the numbers in the cells or any text in the cell, then you press the enter key. When you type in the new data in the cell, the two buttons cancel and enter button will appear on the left of the formula bar. Cell contents can be modified into two ways. So you can see in the Excel sheet there are two buttons. This in the formula bar, this is like when you are clicking here, this is your text. You can see this box text here also as well as in here also. Okay, so there this is enter and this is the enter button, this is the cancel button. So when you click here, you can see these two buttons. This is the cancel button, enter button, and this is the cancel button. It is present on the formula bar. So now our practically we will see how we can replace cell contents in the cell by using different methods. So look at your book, I will show you practically side by side. You can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. Open a new workbook and type the data in the given. So like this workbook is open and already I have typed the data here. You also type same way, like here it is typed. Select the cells whose content has to be changed. जिसका आपने content change करना है उस cell में click कर दो. Then type the new text. Like here 79 is there. Then I will press like 89. So the contents of then press the enter key. The content of the cell will be changed. Similarly, you can use the edit mode. See in your book at the bottom of the page, using edit mode. Select the cell D6, double click on the cell and notice that the data is displayed in the formula bar. So like in which cell you want to change, double click there and the cursor will come here and you can see the number is present or come on the or displayed on the formula bar also. The insertion point, turn your page number 68, come on that page. The insertion point will blink within the cell. Note that the edit mode is indicated on the left side of the status bar. So when you click here, double click, you notice that there is edit mode. This one edit mode is there. If you not click here, before that ready is written here, but when you press the double click in the cell, the edit mode will come here. Now position the pointer at the desired place and change the cell contents. जहाँ पे भी आपको change करना है उसमें आप ले जाके आप change कर दो cell का content, then it will be changed. Like now it has now 89. Notice that the edit mode indicated changing to the ready mode. So when we have done changes, now from edit it will come into the ready mode. Here it is written ready now. We can also edit the cell contents in the following ways. Select the cell in which editing to be done and then click on the formula bars. You can do changes like third method is which wherever you want to do change, click in the cell and go in the formula bar. Move the pointer to the position where you want to insert characters. Now make the modification in the formula bar. यहाँ से भी आप क्लिक करके किसी भी सेल के अंदर चेंज कर सकते हो. Like 67. So the here also the entry has been changed. You can also see in the note. You can also change the cell contents by pressing the F2 key. So you can use F2 key also. When you press the F2 key, the cursor will come at the left side of the here, then you can backspace you can press and then you can change the contents by F2. See one more point, turn on the overtype mode by double clicking on the cell and pressing the insert key. Whenever you click in any cell and you double click on the cell, then you press, there is one insert button on your keyboard. We will press the insert key. In this way it will show the cursor to the right of the blinking bar. ऑफ द ब्लिंकिंग बार एंड गेट्स हाईलाइटेड। तो ये ब्लिंकिंग हो जाएगा ऐसे और हाईलाइटेड दिखाई देगा। यहाँ पे आपने इसमें चेंज किया, देन द अनदर टेक्स्ट विल बी, इसके साथ वाला टेक्स्ट भी हाईलाइटेड हो जाएगा, देन यू कैन change like this way. So these are the different methods by using changing the cell contents. Next is here using undo and redo option. Now we'll see, look at your book page number 68. Using undo and redo feature. After making modification in the cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data. To undo the last action performed, use undo button and on the quick access toolbar. So sometimes students, हमने कुछ लिखा होता है, हम एकदम से उसको डिलीट कर देते हैं, हमें नहीं चाहिए, तो बाद में याद आता है ओहो हमें तो वापस चाहिए था ये. Then suddenly you press undo button, then it will come back again. So let's see practically. Like this data I have written here and I have selected some data and I have deleted. Then what I have done, if I want this data back, at the same time I will press the undo button from here, from the top of the access bar. This is called quick access toolbar. From here you can use, or if you want to back it again, then you can press redo button. It will revert the last action of the undo command. This is for undo, to revert the last action you have done, and this redo button is used to revert the last action or reverse the last action of the undo. तो आपने जो अंडू में किया, अगर वो आपको वापस चाहिए फटाफट, तो आप अंडू कमांड प्रेस कर दोगे. अगर आप चाहते हो नहीं मुझे वापस नहीं चाहिए, देन यू कैन यूज़ द लास्ट एक्शन ऑफ अंडू कमांड बाय प्रेसिंग redo button or clicking on the redo button. Or you can use shortcut keys also, like if I press control, if I delete something, for example this I have deleted, and I can press control Z for undo and control Y for redo. Control Z for undo, control Y for redo. You can use keys also. Now next, look at your book page number 69. Inserting cells, columns and rows. Inserting cells, columns and rows. So students, at times while entering the data you may miss out certain entries. In such situations you may have to insert some cells, columns or rows in the worksheet. कई बार आप लिखते टाइम कोई आपका बॉक्स छूट गया, आपने कोई कॉलम नहीं बनाया, कोई रो नहीं बनाई, या कोई सेल आपसे मिस हो गया, उसमें कुछ लिखना था, तो आपको उस टाइम पे आप एक और नया सेल या नई रो इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. सो लेट्स लर्न इट प्रैक्टिकली. इंसर्टिंग ब्लैंक सेल्स. यू लुक एट योर बुक, आई विल शो यू ऑल्सो साइड बाई साइड. So here there are two ways to insert blank cells. Select the range of the cells where you want to insert blank cells. जहाँ पे आपने select करना है, यहाँ like here I have selected. Then click on the select the insert button in the cells group on the home tab. Here this is the cells group in the home tab. Here you can click and then select insert cells option. Then in this way the whole column will be inserted. Similarly you can insert, right click and then insert row. If you want row, then insert rows. In this way the row can be inserted. You can insert multiple cells, columns and rows also. See at the tips part in your page number 69 at the bottom. To insert multiple columns, एक ही बार में 4-5 कॉलम करने हैं. Then you can like how many you want. आपने 1, 2 और जितने भी आपने इंसर्ट करने उस टाइम भी आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. लाइक यू वांट हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स बिटवीन देम, दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट. लाइक हियर दिस इज द कॉलम नंबर 1 and this is 2. You can press and then आपने 2 सेलेक्ट किए, 2 और इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे. राइट क्लिक इंसर्ट सेल्स. सो सी 2 मल्टीपल कॉलम्स. तो जितने आपको ज़्यादा चाहिए, लाइक यू वांट 5 रोज 5 कॉलम, तो 5 ही रोज और 5 कॉलम सेलेक्ट करोगे, देन इंसर्ट. और यू कैन डू दिस बाय यूजिंग राइट क्लिकिंग ऑल्सो. ओके स्टूडेंट, योर नेक्स्ट video I will send you in the next lecture, which is given on page 70. We will start next time from copying and moving data. Thank you students. Do practically up to here.